Welcome back to Glow and Thrive Marketplace, where wellness meets rhythm. Today, I'm diving into two powerful pillars of everyday health, fasting and fermented foods, and how they help you create a daily rhythm that naturally supports your body. Fasting gives your digestive system a break. It's like hitting reset. It helps reduce inflammation, supports metabolism, and allows your body to focus on repair. And here's something to remember. Anytime you're not eating, you're already fasting. Even extending that break a little, like delaying breakfast or ending meals earlier, can unlock autophagy, your body's way of clearing out damaged cells and renewing from within. Now let's talk about fermented foods. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, kefir, and yes, kombucha are loaded with probiotics that feed your gut and keep your immune system strong. A quick note on kombucha. It's made from fermented green tea, and during that fermentation, it naturally creates a small amount of alcohol. That's why it's best to keep your intake to about 4 ounces a day. More isn't always better. Too much can counteract the benefits and throw your system out of balance. And here's a bonus. This combo is pure gold for the vaginal biome. Fasting supports natural cleansing, while fermented foods help balance healthy flora, reduce yeast overgrowth, and maintain a healthy pH. It's a beautiful way to nurture your womb wisdom daily. Hold on a second, fellas, this one's for you too. Fasting and fermented foods can improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and boost energy, supporting what we call your root wisdom. This is equivalent to a woman's womb wisdom, because when your roots are nourished, everything above the surface thrives. Now let's talk prevention. A personalized wellness kit filled with tools like a symptom tracker, herbal teas, natural supplements, and stress relievers helps you stay ahead of potential issues. It's your proactive plan because it's easier to stay well than to recover. Adding EPA and DHA, the two essential omega-3s, adds lubrication to your digestive system to keep your things flowing smoothly, as it's better for things to come out than stay in. They support everything from brain function to joint mobility. Combine that with balanced meals, whole grains, good fats, protein, and fiber, and you create a rhythm that fuels vitality. And rhythm? That's the foundation of syncing with your circadian clock. In our next video, I'll dive deeper into your circadian rhythm, how your internal clock works, and how to align your lifestyle to it for deeper energy and better sleep. And remember, you don't have to figure it all out alone. A wellness coach can help tailor your nutrition, remedies, and routines in collaboration with your care team. Let's get you flowing in the right direction, mind, body, and rhythm. That's the glow up. Until next time, stay grounded, stay flowing, and keep building your rhythm. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next rhythm building video. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know how fasting and fermented foods have helped you on your wellness journey. Your story could inspire someone else to take the next step toward thriving.